Your carpet is not getting dirty, it's getting destroyed. And those are two completely different things. 13 years, thousands of homes, and almost nobody knows the difference. So let me show you, because once you see it, you can't unsee it. The thing killing your carpet isn't stains. Stains come out. It's sand. Here's how it gets in. Every hard surface outside your house is coated in oil. Every parking lot, every driveway, every road. Motor oil, brake dust, whatever leaked out of the truck in front of you at the light. And sand sticks to oil. So when you walk through your front door, you are not tracking in dry dirt that a vacuum can lift. You're tracking in a paste. Oil with grit bonded into it. And that oil is looking for something to grab. It finds the oils already in your carpet from bare feet, or it grabs the fiber directly. Either way, it transfers, it stays, and it collects more. Here's the fix, and it costs about $20. 2 mats. 2 different mats doing 2 completely different jobs. Outside, stiff, prickly, bristly, the kind that hurts a little. That mat is a machine. It scrapes grit out of the tread of your shoe. Inside, flat, soft, absorbent cloth. That mat is a sponge. It takes the oil. That decorative mat you have right now, the one that says "Hello Gorgeous" in cursive, that's not a mat. That's a greeting card you step on. It has never removed anything from anyone's shoe. It just sits there being polite while everything walks straight past it. Bristle outside, cloth inside, both. One without the other is half a system. Now, whatever gets past your mats works its way down. Not on top where you could vacuum it. Down. All the way to the base of the pile where the fibers are packed tight, where you can't see it and can't feel it. And here's what almost nobody learned. Your carpet fibers have a coating on them from the factory. That coating is why the carpet feels soft, why the color looks alive, and why a spill beads up instead of vanishing into the floor. Sand is harder than that coating. So every step you take, your entire body weight drives those grains against the sides of the fibers and drags them. That's sandpaper, under your feet, in the same 3 walkways, every single day. You are not walking on your carpet, you're sanding it. And once that coating is ground off, the fiber is naked. It blooms, it unravels, and nothing stops that. Nothing, until it's completely opened up. Here's why that matters. An intact fiber reflects light back at you, and that reflection is the color. That's what makes carpet look like carpet. An unraveled fiber can't reflect anything. It goes flat, dull, gray, and it stays that way permanently. So that gray lane running past your couch, the one you've been apologizing to guests about, that's not dirt, that's not a stain. Those are thousands of destroyed fibers that will never reflect light again. A traffic pattern isn't a mess, it's a scar. No cleaner on earth brings that back. Not me, not anybody, not any product advertised at 11 at night. If a company tells you they can restore a traffic lane, they are lying to you. So what actually stops it? One thing. Putting that protection back on before it's too late. And here's the uncomfortable part. Nobody can tell you how long you've got. Not me, not the guy at the flooring store. It depends entirely on who lives in your house, how many of them, what they do, and what they walk through. A retired couple in slippers? Years. 4 kids, 2 dogs, and a husband who does his own brakes in the driveway? You do not have years. So people wait for a sign. That's the mistake. Because the sign is the damage. If you can see the oils in your carpet, that dark sheen in the doorway, you're too late. If you can see a traffic pattern forming, you're too late. By the time your carpet tells you, your carpet is already gone. It's not an early warning system, it's an obituary. So here's what actually works. 4 things. Bristle mat outside, cloth mat inside, every entry. Today. Vacuum slow. 2 passes where you're doing 1. Fast doesn't count, you're just petting it. Socks or slippers instead of bare feet. Your body oils are the glue that holds the sand against the fiber. And get the protection reapplied before you can see damage, not after. 3 of those 4 are free. You can do them this weekend and you don't have to hire anybody. But you can't unknow this now. You're going to look at your doorway tonight. You're going to look at that gray lane by the couch. And you're going to know exactly what you're looking at. Sorry about that. Spiker Carpet and Tile Care. 13 years, owner-operated. We'll tell you the truth about your floors whether you hire us or not.